Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. We have discussed various of topic in this channel with respect to our service now solutions, tips, tricks, best practices, standards, etc. So when you have a time, just refer those videos. May that will help you for your business landscape. In today's session, we are continuing that CMDB governance post go live, how we can proceed. In the past two videos, I just explained what is a attestation policy, what is a retire policy. This session we are going to talk about the certifications of policies, like how to certify the CIs. uh, Specifically, you take a scenario, non-discoverable attributes. Everyone knows there is a two attributes are available, one is a discoverable attributes and non-discoverable attributes. Discoverable attributes, it's bringing the data from your data source. For example, if you have a discovery, the discovery having the data, then it is bringing the data from your uh, data source. And the non-discoverable attributes, for some reason it is not available, it is not bringing from your data source, you are manually feeding those data and governing the data. So in that scenario, how we can do it, this is one of the sample example. And similar way, in the discoverable attributes also, you want to do some certifications, this data it is accurate or not accurate. So those type of activities, it is happening, it is bringing the help of out of box flavor, that is called a certify CMDB CI policy. Before going and talking about this uh, policies, first I will try to open that major item, what we need to focus in the certification policy here. So this is a certify policy information. Just bring this, the second one, certify policy prerequisite and configure. If you want to do the certify policy in your ServiceNow landscape, these are all the things so you need to focus. Prerequisite is define managed by group for each CI class via CI class manager. So I just explained in my video one, episode one, that is called a attestation policy. What is mean by managed by group, how it is working, please refer that video, may that will help you. Next is list of a field to certify. So what are all the fields you need to certify? I just explained the non-discoverable attributes is one of the use case. Similar way, if you have any other use case, you prepare that checklist. These are all the fields you are going to do a certification in this CMDB manager. Next, same item, go to CMDB workspace, quick links, data manager, click a policy and configure this certify policy. How this is attestation policy, the similar way the certification policy also you can do it. So next is select the assignment group, that is called managed by group. So this item, action item, it is part of, it is having a dependency with the first one. And the next is, once this policy is configured, the schedule job in the background it will automatically create. So that schedule job is going to support you to identify the relevant information with respect to your certification. So next, review and verify. Once it is executed, the task will be created. Based on the task only you can identify it. The schedule jobs, normally if you put star certify or ends with the policy processor, then you can easily identify this schedule job it is running or supporting for your certification area. Now I'm going for a quick demo. May you will get a clarity more. So first you go to your CMDB workspace. Before coming to the session, I just created one of the sample policy. So I just quick walk through that item. May you will get that clarity here. It's a pretty straightforward item. No major complexities here. So only thing is the prerequisite you need to enable it. That's all. So in this policies, there is a listed policy I have created, like a certification, retire, and attestation. Everything it is available. Specifically, I have created for a non-discoverable attribute certification policy. So here, this is applicable for your server class. I just made it a server. Okay, so it is already published, so I need to remove that unpublished item so that I can change that activity, otherwise I cannot do it. Deactivate this policy first, then go to the edit policy now, then you just do the modification here. So I'm just entering the server class. So this policy, it is supporting only for a server. So you just select, give that name what you want, and the policy type here, these are all the policies are currently available. You select the certification as a choice from this policy type, then click continue button. Here you can define the filter condition, which CA you are focusing, which CA class you are focusing to do that certification, to do that certify. So that filter condition you can define it, what you want that filter you can enable it. Here I just directly put a server, I have not added any other filter condition. If you want to do the specific item, just to do that configuration here. Once it is done, then just apply the filter button, click the apply filter button, then you can see the list of CIs based on your filter condition, it will display here. Once it is done, then here you need to select the assignment type. This task, that certifications task, who should take a responsibility, that answer it can be handled via this field assignment type. So when you select the user group field here, it will allow, these are all the other group names managed by group. This can be configured in your CI class manager. You check this episode 1 attestation policy, how to configure the managed group, you can understand it. So once you configure this item, then just go to here. What are all the display fields means, when you do this item, so name, attestation status, attested, fully qualified name, these are all the fields it will display in this tabular column format. After that, these are all the fields you are going to do the certify. So this certifications, like this is accurate or it is not available, something like that, so you are going to do these field related validation based on this field configuration. Allow field updates, allow empty field values, we are not allowing any empty field values, so I'm not checking here. And this clearly execute via our schedule jobs. So days to complete, I just put a 1 day to complete this action item, and it is running a daily basis, and it's starting, I put a normal time, so you modify based on your timeline, non business hours. Then finally you just click this publish policy. So as per this policy, 566 records are available in the server class. In this 566 server class, I have already mentioned some 4 fields. Those 4 fields needs to be certified based on the task. So once you publish this policy, then there is a schedule job will be created. Again, you just go in this left navigation pan here, type schedule jobs. Under system definition, you can see the schedule jobs option. Just click it there and go to the, yes, here I'm just opening, and use type, I put a title as non-discoverable, so I'm just searching with the same non-discoverable. Then come back to this my work. In this my work, there is a certification task needs to be created. Yes, it is executing, so the currently it is executing the schedule job, that's the reason it is showing as a work in progress. This is already I tried from my side. So it's already created today before this session. I'm just putting a refresh. So here what I need to do is, I can take this CMDB task, and this CMDB task, it needs to be worked out so that we can come to the conclusion whether all CIs are certified or not. So here review records to certify. So what you need to do is, if you click this review records to certify, what it will show? It will show how many records you need to certify here. That informations are available. So see here, fully qualified name, DNS domain name, department, environment, invoice number. These are all the items I have taken from my side to certify. So you can see those all informations are available. Additionally, the name attestation status attested, I have selected as a display field. So actually you are going to do that certification for this 4 fields, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 5 fields. So these 5 fields you are going to certify it based on this task. So before starting this activity, what you need to do is, you should assign this item to your name. Wait, not reassign. Assign to me, normally it will come. People not available. So what I will do is, I just put ITSM engineering because I have created some task. Just give me a. So here you can see that options, how to do it. So here, once you select this all, there is an option, it show like a certify and fail. So what are all the records you want to certify? Just click that record and just certify it. Just click that record and certify it. So once it is certified, then you can submit the task. Then finally the task will be closed. So here I want to do each and every entry, so I cannot submit now. So when you are clicking a certify button or failing that certify button, based on this, automatically it will enable that submit button. So this is a way normally you will do that certification. So it's not that much big item here. It's a very straightforward item, configurable solution here. There is no major code. Only thing is, you need to check that schedule job is running properly or not. For some reason, if schedule job is not running, why it is not running, you just check it. So if you solve that problem, then automatically the regular routine work will start based on the CMDB task. So I hope you got little clarity about this episode. Certify CMDB CI using our CMDB manager policy. So this is a way post go live you will do the certifications of your fields, specifically non-discoverable attributes. I hope you enjoyed this session. Stay tuned and wait for the niche and interesting topic from ServiceNow side. Thank you so much for your time, and good day and goodbye.